How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be taking a look at 5.0 Resto's door body side moldings for 1979 to 1993 Mustangs, as well as showing you guys how to install them. Alright guys, if you're needing to replace missing, warped, or cracked door body side moldings on your 1979 to 1993 Fox Mustang, industry leader 5.0 Resto has the solution. Like most things Fox Body, the door body side moldings change throughout the years. Specific moldings for different year ranges include 1979 to 1984 cars, 85 to 86 LX and GT, 87 to 93 GT and Cobra, and 87 to 93 LX. 5.0 Resto currently offers a solution for all of those year ranges and trims. The 79 to 84 and 85 to 86 door body side moldings are molded from urethane and incorporate the recessed C-channel, which accepts the different accent striping that was offered during that stretch of year. Each molding is size specific and is ready for prep and paint. Installation is a breeze because of the pre-installed double-sided tape. Now the 87 to 93 LX, GT, and Cobra door body side moldings are also molded from durable urethane and reinforced with metal bands. Each molding also matches the factory body lines, which provide a nice OE look. Like the other moldings, these are size specific, they're ready for prep and paint, and they're also going to include double-sided tape. Now before you install these moldings, it is important to note that these things must be warm and they must be flat. If you install these cold, they will peel up in the front and the rear of the molding. Also note, 3M adhesion promoter must be applied to the door prior to installing the moldings. This will ensure a proper bond between the door and the molding. 3M adhesion promoter is currently available on our site, LMR.com. We will be starting with a clean car and the old molding already removed. You can reference our other video for proper molding removal. Also, we already ran our molding down to our local paint shop and had it painted to match this specific color for this car.
As stated previously, these door body side moldings will need to be warm and flat prior to installing them on the door. I would recommend letting them sit in the sun on a warm day or leave them in the house if it's cold outside. I'm also going to be using a heat gun to warm the urethane so that it becomes very pliable. Make sure the door is wiped down with isopropyl alcohol and free of any residues. Carefully heat one of the ends of the door body side molding. Remember, this is already painted. Don't get the gun too close and keep the heat setting on low. Work one end up and down as it starts to become pliable. Flip the molding to the other side and heat the other end. If it helps, place a piece of painter's tape at the front and rear of the door. This will help with aligning the molding. Also note the small tab on the back of the molding. This is also there for alignment purposes. Dog ear each corner of the double-sided tape. Apply 3M adhesion promoter to the door where the tape will adhere to the surface. Align the molding and then tack the corners in place. The rear of the molding will be approximately 1/16 of an inch from the edge of the door. Because of the original design from Ford, the front and rear of the moldings will not sit flush with the edge of the door. Remove the tape backing and then firmly apply pressure with a microfiber towel. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other side. Double check your work and then you're all finished.
As far as installation goes here, guys, take your time. After all, you are dealing with a body part that requires good attention to detail to ensure that it's even across the door. Other than that, fellas, these 5.0 Resto door body side moldings are a must-have restoration item for your 1979 to 1993 Fox Mustang. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.